How are you doing? Hi, how are you doing? Yes. Yeah, I'll tell you right now. Alright, good morning guys, how are we doing today? Good. Okay, couple announcements. So, if I have not made this abundantly clear yet, I am still in my master's program. Okay, so my teacher, Miss Clegg over here, is going to be observing me today. Can everyone say hi? That was so weak. Come on guys, say hi. Hi, thank you so much. So, she is here to observe my lesson, which I will be giving to you guys. And then also, just so everyone is aware, I need to film this. So I'm over there. So if you guys want to say hi to the camera, don't. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. No, I'm just messing with you guys. I'm going to quickly explain what we are doing today. What is so significant about this week? That we are testing. What day are we testing? Wednesday. Okay, so Wednesday is our test. So Miss Garcia and I have made a review with you guys, and we will be going over that today. So everyone is in their groups. We only, in each group, need one laptop open. Okay? So let's decide whose laptop it is. Everyone else's, close their laptop, turn their phones off, and let's use one laptop. Are we manageable to do that? Are we? Okay. Can you, when you guys get on your laptops? Yes, just like, all right guys, eyes up here please. When you are on your laptops, can you sign in for your group? Meaning, put everyone's name on your group, on the quizzes, okay? Is that complicated? Cool. So, you guys will have Cassie 1, Cassie 2.
Cassie squared.
Cassie squared. Alright, one laptop per group. Also, I forgot to tell you guys this. It would benefit you immensely and greatly to take some notes during this. If you guys have a notebook, please take it out. If you guys have a piece of paper, please take it out and we will write some notes with you guys. If you need some paper, Miss Garcia is coming around to hand out some paper. Any questions so far? We only need one laptop open, gentlemen. Thank you much. Make sure everyone puts their names on there. Kevin, Jaime, Brianna, Alexa are good. Noah, Jacob, Ernesto, Alexia. Yes. I was thinking about you next, but I was like,
I got 180 kids, 190 kids. No, I bought this one from Springs. I'm assuming. You guys want? Paper?
how are you doing guys? One? Okay, you want it? Good, you guys are all set now? How are you guys doing? Okay, you just sign everyone up? Thank you much. All right, any questions so far?
That was a trick question. You answered.
Okay, so I forgot to tell you guys, this today, what's going to happen is this. We have some multiple questions. It's okay if we don't get all of them done because there is a lot of questions. So, I will be going over the first question. No, you're good. I will be going over the first question. I will explain this said question. The second question is for your group to do by yourselves. Miss Garcia and I will be walking around helping you guys if you need help, but it will go in that pattern. I will explain one, you do the second. I will explain one, you will do the second. Does that make sense? You guys can and should work in your groups. That's why we have one laptop open, and that's why you guys all put your names on there. Any questions so far? I forgot to tell you as well. The group with the highest points at the end will get a prize. Okay? I will not tell you what the prize is, because it's a secret. Any questions so far? Are we okay? Everyone good? This table good? Are we good in the back, gentlemen?
Yeah.
Noah, you were alright? Are we good right here? Middle group, are we okay? Cassie squared, Leo and Oki, are we okay? Good? Are you guys alright? Cool. Alright, I know you guys are good. Let's get it started. First off, does everyone see this as their first question? Oh, you can press start, by the way. I'm sorry if I didn't make that clear. Oh, did she? Alright, cool. Okay, when I look at this first question, what do I need to do? What formula? Does it pop out to you guys? What if I said a squared plus b squared equals
C squared.
Wow, thank you. This is quick. So, how would I do that on this formula? Well, first off, I need to look at my first 2 points, and I need to make what shape? In order to do the Pythagorean theorem, I need to make a shape. What shape? Let's do a triangle. Thank you. So, let's take it from here. I'm going to do it in red. I'm going to go from this point, down, 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 make it to this point, and those are my 2 points. That is a triangle. Does everyone see that triangle? Sweet. Let's count down from this point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7. I'm sorry, that red is awful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone good so far? I need to find this side. This is my triangle. That side, or triangle, that side, that question mark, is C. So let's plug this in. 7 squared plus 6 squared equals C squared. What is, oh, I'm so sorry guys, I forgot one more thing. I'm gonna pass out calculators. That's on me. Don't use your phones. One for you. While I'm handing out the calculators, can you guys do this math for me? What is 7 squared? Oops, sorry. What is 7 squared? What? 14? That's 49. 49, thank you. What is 6 squared?
36.
36. Do I have anything for C yet? No, so I just plug it in right here. What is 49 plus 36?
85.
I'm sorry?
85.
85. 85 equals C squared. Alright. Now what is my last step, Leo? What do I need to do, Leo? Nothing. What do you mean? What do I do? What's the opposite of squared? Square. Thank you. Let's square root this. Okay? What is 85 squared? It's okay to have a decimal. Just round it to the first decimal, your 10th point. It should be something point something. 9 point what? 9.2. Good job, Oki. So your answer would be 9.2. All right. What questions do you guys have on that? Your second question will be exactly like this, and this is where the competition starts. Okay? Are there any questions on that so far? Any? All right. So let us move to the second question. Again, you guys can work in your groups. It's a competition. So first group to answer will have the highest points.
Don't yell out your answers.
Yeah, don't yell out your answers.
All right, here we go.
I hope so.
3, 2, 1. Here, I'll zoom in. Find the line round to the nearest.
Make that triangle. Make that triangle. Yes. You can if you would like. Yeah, to make it easier for you. But you remember you have to count. So we're seeing this triangle right here. And then we need to draw it, and then we need to count how many sides we go down and to the left. Yes. But I need you guys, I need to show you guys how we did it. So you guys see it. Oh, did you see that?
If you want to use it.
Alright, so we would have a point here. You what? This is your triangle.
You guys want to
How many
use
times does it go down? 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then plug it into your Pythagorean theorem.
Yeah, this is it. How'd you get it? So,
Good job. Great job. How are we doing, guys? How are we doing? So listen, you got what? So it's, you are so close. You'd have to do 26 equals c squared and then the square root of 26.
oh yeah.
So what'd you get? Good. Good. Yeah. Good job. Alright guys, how are we doing? How are we doing?
Yeah.
Close, or yes, but what would I write? What'd you get? Is everyone done? Did everyone hand it in? What's the answer? 5.1, good job. Do I need to go through that and explain that to you guys? Are you okay if I move on to the second? Yes, did you guys write down those notes? Okay, let's move to the second one. Alright, so again, this question we are doing as a group. I will show you how to do it. The next question will be on your own. I don't remember what question it is. Yes, I do. Okay, let me ask you guys this question. When I say vertical, do I go bottom to top or left to right? Thank you. Oh my gosh, Atlas. It's like when I say this all the time. Hey, show me your vertical jump. You guys show me how high you can jump. So when I'm giving you this, the vertical line through it, that means when I cut it in half from bottom to top or top down, it means it'll be the same shape on both sides. So W, if I were to cut this in half, does that give me the same two sides? Yes, it does. Good job. E, if I were to cut this one in half, no, it does not. R, does R give me the same thing? No, it does not. H, yes, it does. Good job. L, no, it doesn't. L's taking L's. M, good job. V, good job. S, no, it doesn't. So your answer is M, V, H, W. Can we put that in right now on your first one? Any questions on that? No. Thank you so much. Alright. So the next one. This one was vertical. The next one is going to be horizontal. Is horizontal bottom to top or left to right? So focus on horizontal. You have 4 answers. Good job. Good job. Great job.
Got your answer?
I'm going to give you a hint. C is not.
Yeah?
How are we doing?
Is this the 18?
Good? Makes sense? How are we doing?
A for 18.
Good
Okay,
job.
right there.
How are we doing?
Ooh.
Did everyone submit their answers? What is your answer? A, B, C, or D? B, because H is perfect. X, same thing. E, same thing. And O, same thing. I understand last class and this class, some people got confused with the letter Z, or as we say in Canada, Z. Does that make sense? Z, I'm not going to confuse you more. Z looks like it, but Z is not. Z gives a little twist and turn. It's not perfectly aligned. Does that make sense?
You want to see why?
Yeah, you want to see why? Especially you're coming out with the clutch help.
Ooh, that was a bad seat. Okay, just pretend that it was nicer. Okay, if I fold it right there, you see how it's coming down? Over the other side. It's going up, so that's why it's not the same. Okay?
Any questions on those 2 questions? Again, I'm going to give you guys a little hint. One of these questions will be on your test, but you did not hear that from me.
Ooh, alright.
Alright, next question. Good job. Wait, good. Find the value of x. So if I have the same angles, they need to equal one another. If I have different angles, they need to equal 180. So let's look at this. Do these two angles look the same or different? Are we sure?
Yes.
They are the same. These two lines, I did not label them, but let's just say that these lines are A and B. These lines are parallel, which means that they are the same, which means that when they cut through one angle, these angles will be the same. So, they are equal. What do I do? What's my first step? Do I have to equal them to each other or to 180?
180.
Equal to each other. So, let's write this. 23x, you guys can do this if you're taking notes, this is going to help you extremely. 23x minus 5 equals 21x plus 5. Let's get rid of my x's first. Minus 21. Why do I need to minus 21? Because it's the smaller number. What I do to one side, I do to the other. What is 23 minus 21? 23 minus 21. 2. Thank you. 2x. Did I touch the negative 5 yet? I'm going to bring it down. Did I touch the positive 5 yet? I'm going to bring it down. What is my next step? Add 5. Thank you. What I do to one side, I do to the other. I add 5 on both sides. What is 5 plus 5? 10. What is my last step? Divide by what? 2. What is the question asking me? What is it asking for? The value of x. So what's the value of x? 5. Any questions on that? No? Alright, can we move on to the next one? Same thing. Find the value of x. Let's look at this. Are these angles the same or different? These two lines are parallel. Are we sure?
Now remember on these types of questions, when they have parallel lines, you've only got 2 types of angles. The acute and the obtuse.
So
Does
look.
this angle look acute or obtuse? Obtuse. Does this angle look obtuse or acute? What? Obtuse. Remember, we could do it with our thumb and pinky. This one's acute.
So if they are both obtuse, then do I equal them to each other or to 180? To each other. So I'm going to write that out for you, and you guys need to solve it. Negative 1 plus 14x equals 12x plus 17. All right, now do the math. You guys already did it? How did you know?
Who's doing this one?
Great job. Great job.
You
How we
should.
doing?
Write it down. Negativo 1 más de
How did you know we're here?
X, 12 X más de 10. I was gonna say that. Alright, so
Good job. Good job.
pone un línea aquí. Okay. ¿Cuál número es más chico? 14 or 12? Okay, ahora, ¿qué es la opposite? So minus 12. Minus, menos.
Good job. You guys already got it. You said minus. Good job.
These cancel out. Yes, 14 minus 12. 12 minutes. Bring down, what is that? 17 plus 17 más. No, más.
9. This group right here, what'd we get? I thought you said negative. I'm sorry. Hold the phone for a second. Okay, so our answer is 9. Can I explain anything to you guys? Is there anything that I can go over? Are we sure? I'm going to go through this one again, just because I feel like there should be a little clarification. First off, I'm going to focus on my x's first. What do I do? Minus 12. I minus 12 because that's the lower x value. I'm going to subtract 12. I'm going to subtract 12 from 14x. Negative 1 I did not touch yet. What's 14 minus 12? 2x, thank you. 2x, that equals 17. What is my next step? I have a negative 1 and I have a 17. Plus 1. Plus 1 on one side, I do it to the other. 2x equals 17 plus 1. 18, thank you much. What's my last step? Divide by 2, because I need to get x alone. And we're going to be toxic today, get our x alone. What does x equal? 18 divided by 2? 9. Alright, makes sense? Any questions on that? No? Alright, let's move on. Let me erase this. Can I erase this?
What do I do with 2? Más, menos, multiplicado, diviso. Y también, ¿qué es? ¿Ah?
Okay, this is find the measurement of the angle, which is our question mark. So when I'm looking at this, I have two lines, U and V. U and V are parallel. Now, as Ms. Garcia was saying before, on this chart, we have obtuse angles and we have acute angles. This 66, is this acute or obtuse? Acute, because it looks like a little V. Now, if I'm going to flip it up here, is this obtuse or acute? Acute, so are they the same thing? Okay, so then what's your answer? What's your answer? 66. Now, can I have everyone's eyes up here for a quick second, please? Some of these questions, hey, up here. I need this. When you guys have these questions, some of them are super, super easy. And you guys are going to struggle on them. Why? Because you're going to do them so fast. And hey, that's normal. I've done the same thing. But make sure we are double checking our questions. Can you agree on that? Thank you so much. Let's do the next one. This one's the same thing. Find the measure of the indicated angle. U and V are parallel. Is this an acute or obtuse? How are you doing? Was that one easy? Dang, Noah, Jacob, and our nest though. What time is this class? Thank you. All right, next question. Again, I'm gonna go over this one. The next one, you guys are on your own. I can't remember what this one is.
It's the triangles.
Oh, I knew it. This one is so easy. So again, let's slow down for a quick sec. How many angles does a triangle have? Okay, yeah. I mean, you guys already had it. But let's just, for the sake of this conversation.
Hey guys, I need you guys to focus.
So I know that these questions are very easy, but I'm gonna do some reminders. How many sides does a triangle have? How many angles does a triangle have? Those three angles in a triangle add up to what? 180. If I were to give you a triangle, everyone's eyes up here, please. If I were to give you a triangle, and it was equilateral and equiangular, what would the sides equal out to? They're all even. They're all the same angles. 180 divided by 3. 60. Thank you much. Okay? Next question. I just gave you the answer. Hint, hint. What was the answer? What was the answer? What's the answer? What's the answer? Good. What's the answer? Okay, everyone's eyes up here again. I know you guys are getting a little antsy. This next one's going to be a bit difficult. But again, I asked you guys this exact question. If all the angles in a triangle are equal, and all the sides are equal, then what do the angles equal to? And that would be 180 divided by 3. What's 180 divided by 3? 60. So everyone got that correct? Okay. Oh yeah, you did. Good job. I'm proud of you guys. This next one is a little bit more tricky. So, first off, let's read the question. What am I finding? The angle. Am I finding x? If I find x, will that be my answer? No, I need to find the angle. So, first off, I need to find x. The second thing I need to do is plug in x for angle A. Does that make sense so far? So, are all of these angles in this triangle equal?
No.
Does it show me any lines or any equal angles that show me that this is an equilateral triangle or an isosceles triangle? No? So what kind of triangle would this be? Close. It starts with an S. Scalene. This means that no angles and no sides are equal. So, what would I equal this out to? 180. So what I need to do, as Ms. Garcia is writing, I need to combine all these like terms. 8x minus 1 plus 3x plus 9 plus 3x plus 4. And all of that needs to equal 180. 180 because that's the sum of all the angles equaled up in a triangle. Alright? Let's combine like terms. First one, we're going to combine the like terms with the letter x in them. 8 plus 3 plus 3. What's 8 plus 3 plus 3? 14. Got it? Thank you. So I can cross out the 8, I can cross out the 3, I can cross out the 3. What am I left with? -1, 4, and 9. Can we add them up? -4 or -1 plus 4 plus 9. What does that equal? 14?
Yes.
Can anybody correct him or agree with him?
12.
12.
Plus or minus?
Plus or minus?
What?
And that equals 14x plus 12 equals 180. What is my second step now? What do I need to do? Can I get the x alone yet? No. So what do I need to do? Subtract what? 12. Let's subtract 12 from both sides. What is 180 minus 12? 168. Did I touch the 14x yet? So I can bring it down. 14x equals 168. What's my last step? Divide by what?
14.
Okay, 168 divided by 14, what is that?
12.
Did everyone get 12? Okay,
Okay, so my answer is 12?
am I done?
No.
Are we done? So what's my next step?
Why is it not 12?
Why is it not 12? Why is it not 12? Because what? Oh, yes. Alright, everyone listen up here. Can you remind Ernesto? So, hey, eyes up here. Ernesto said we are not finding x, we're finding the angle. So, x is perfect, but what do I need to do? I need to find angle A. So what do I need to do? Plug in. I need to plug in 12 for x. So 8 times 12 minus 1. What's 8 times 12? Was that like with the minus 1? Good. So she was already on it. Your answer is 95. Now, this question was for me to explain to you guys how to do it. This next question is for points. So, do you guys know how to do it? Are you guys going to rush through it? correctly. Alright, next question. Let's get settled. Or let's do it. While you guys are doing this, is this triangle at all equal in any way?
No.
So is it scaling? So then what would I have to equal it to?
180.
180, good.
Okay, remember that you guys aren't all gonna be on teams when you take your test, so write it also. This was a tough one. This is one I suggest you write, everyone write.
What are we solving for? X or the angle? We're finding an angle. Yes.
Remember that those parentheses don't mean anything except they're. So don't worry about putting those parentheses. In fact, add all the x's first. So what are the x's on this problem? Okay, seven. Got it?
Add up all the
But not no.
No, not 11.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be done.
5. So 7 plus 5 is 12. And then 5.
Yeah, I'm a genius, bro.
You're just a lucky guesser for not you can't do that in your past.
I didn't guess. I swear.
12 plus
I don't swear, brother.
Okay, now we've got negative 11. Okay. They're all negative, so we can add them all. So we're gonna add 16. Negative 14x minus 16. And then what we said is. Alright, I think you guys can get it from there, right? Okay. This was 18. You already got yours?
Yeah.
Okay, is that my answer? So what am I finding? Angle A's are 11, 20, or 11, 5? Are we done? What'd you get?
87.
What'd you get? What we get? What do we get?
Then we've got negative 11.
You got it.
So let's add.
87. You guys get 87. Does the math make sense? Any questions? Any questions on it, gentlemen? Are we okay? Any questions on it?
14x minus 16.
Oh, you missed it.
Sorry, you guys just had to-
Let me do this.
What?
And
180. Alright, let's solve for it. 180 equals 180.
Esta que es para mi rato.
Good. All right, guys, we got one more group that's still solving. Let's just be a bit quiet, please. And then we have time for 2 more questions. As they're solving, did everyone get the answer? Yes. Don't say it yet as they're still solving it. Does anybody need me to explain this problem? Would you like me to go up and explain this for you guys? I'm going to do it with you guys as this group is solving, okay? So, you guys have told me that this triangle is not equal in any way. So what kind of triangle is it? It's not isosceles. Scaling. So I need to add up all of these angles to equal what number? 180. Let's just do it from here. 7x, 2x, and 5x. What's 7 plus 2 plus 5? 14. 14x, right? Negative 11, negative 3, negative 2. Add up those. What are those? Negative 16. Thank you, Kevin. What does it equal? Fernando, what's 180 plus 16?
14.
14x equals 196. Who's talking in the back? Noah's group?
No, it's this group right
Is
here.
this group right here?
It's
High row.
kind of-
High row. 14, I have to divide 196 divided by 14. What's 196 divided by 14? 196 divided by 14. Nobody say anything. What's high row's question? $196 divided by 14. Alright, am I done? Is that my answer?
No.
I know a lot of you were tempted to put 14. What do I need to do?
Plug it in.
Plug it in. I need to solve for 8. Thank you. So what's 7 times 14? Minus 11. 87. Is there any questions on that? You're a lucky guesser. Alright, we have time for one more. Una más. Alright, everyone's eyes up on me. This one, I'm showing you guys how to do it. You do not need to worry right now. What's the question asking? Can someone read the question for me? In the what? In the image below, A is parallel to B. Guys, up here. I know you guys are laughing. I know this is fun. We're almost done. A is parallel to B, and C is parallel to D. If angle 16 right here is 130 degrees, 130 degrees, what is the measure of angle 14?
130.
Is that an obtuse angle? So, first up, hey, hold up. Everyone's eyes up here. We are almost done. Give me 5 minutes, please. A and B are parallel. C and D are parallel. That means all these angles in the corners, Kevin, all these angles here will be equal to one another. So if 16, is that obtuse or acute? Obtuse, because it looks like an L, right? Little finger joint. 14, obtuse or acute? It looks like an obtuse. So if this is 130, what would this one be?
30.
What's your answer? Did everyone get that? We have time to finish one more. Alright, get ready for this last one.
Is it the same?
I'm not gonna answer that.
You guys are tricky.
I know, that's why I did it on purpose. What was our answer?
Hold on, let's see this out.
Is it?
Alright, listen, waiting for this group right here.
We're in for this group. What you guys guess? Good. Did you guess? What is our answer?
130.
130. What's the next question? Yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Okay, this last one. Can I have everyone's eyes up here? I'm gonna go through this one. If you guys have a piece of paper and a pencil, can you draw this one with me? Because this one actually is a really good one to draw. Okay?
I'm gonna do it on the other, so that it'll stick out.
Oh,
Cause that red's running.
got you. So N is the midpoint of line M and O. Mo. Here's a line. Here's the midpoint. Here's the other line. M, N, O. So far, so good. Can we draw that down on our pieces of paper that Miss Garcia gave you?
No.
So this is saying that letter N, N for Noah in the back, is the midpoint between M and O. M, N equals 6x plus 2. N, O, no, equals 4x plus 8. Find the line M, N.
And then.
Did I plug this in right? Did I give it the correct answer? Because I think if I'm finding, I think I'm just fine. Let's just find X. I think that's what I did. I was tired when I did this. So these two are equal. And the reason that they are equal is because N is the midpoint. So if they are equal, then what do? How do I plug it in? Do I equal it to 180? Do I equal it to 360? What do I equal them to? Each other. Thank you, Kevin. 6x plus 2 equals 4x plus 8. What is my first step? x on both sides. What is 6 minus 4? Leo? 6 minus 4? 2. 2x plus 2 equals 8. Cassie squared. What's my next step? Whichever one, Sandra or Cassie? Good job. Minus 2 from both sides. 2x. What is, okay, what's 8 minus 2? Thank you, Oki. What'd you say? 10 equals 6. What's my last step? I need to divide by 2. What does x equal? 3. And I said that was my answer.
I told you it was 3, but I didn't want to.
Oh, is it? Oh, yes. Oh my gosh. Okay, what's my next step? Is that my answer?
That's X.
No, it's not. That's x. Thank you. So if I am finding, hey, almost done. 4 minutes. If I am finding this, 6 times 2 plus 2, what's my answer?
20.
Oh, I'm sorry, it's 3. Oh, I got too quick. Yeah. What's 6 times 3 plus 2?
20.
Huh? 20. Everyone get that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's check out who is on the leaderboard.
Oh,
Do you think they have time to do this?
Maybe.
I don't know.
Alright, let's see. Last question. Whoever wins, wins it.
Come on, guys.
It's the same thing.
Same thing.
It's already turned in on quizzes. Those are your notes. You don't need to worry
You keep
about it.
those notes. Tomorrow I'll give you guys a note card.
You guys got 2 minutes. If you guys want to do it, you can have the points. I don't know. Yes.
Ahora porque a mí me oí uno güey dejando la hija ahí con el 51, no está, vamos a estar así. Este güey, yo me la siento.
You are just
Oh my god.
Yo sé que llega a las 6 con el 51.
Alright, let's see.
Alright, who won?
Este güey llega literalmente
Whoa!
Whoa! No, Jacob and Ernesto.
Ernesto. Alright, start packing up your guys' stuff. You have a minute.
Alright, let's
Again, when you guys are ready, take a seat, please. Noah, Jacob.
Don't line up, please. Can anybody borrow?
When the bell rings, please put your calculators and whiteboards away for me, please.
Boys, did you listen?
You guys won. Did we come to you? Did they come to you? Not yet? Oh, okay. Hey, remind